Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. I wanted to demonstrate an Arduino Powered Alarm Clock that I've made in the past couple years. As you can see, we just have a regular speaker housing. We have a 7-segment display. I also have a iPhone and a light hooked up to it for some of the features that I'll discuss later. Now basically the reason why I decided to do this was to make it easier for me to wake up in the morning. I constantly am sleeping through my old alarms. So I try to make a way to slowly wake me up in the morning and then keep me awake rather than hitting the snooze button and going back to bed. I have a demo mode automatically programmed in for this alarm clock, so it's very easy to see how it works. One of the big things that it does is it makes time go by a lot faster, so it's easy to see all the features. The two main features that I have is a sleep mode. So when you're going to sleep at night, it turns on your radio for a certain amount of time. And then also what I call a delay mode. So before your alarm clock goes off, we have music and a light turn on to kind of slowly wake you up. So the settings for that are going to quickly show when I start this up. So we're going to go into try mode. We're going to set the clock for 4:30 a.m. We're going to have the sleep timer turn on for 25 minutes. The alarm is going to be set to turn on at 6 a.m. and then the delay is going to be set for 30 minutes in front of the alarm. So right now we have the sleep timer on, and that's going to go for 25 minutes. And then after that 25 minutes is up, it's automatically going to turn off. So the sleep is now turned off. So now it's while you're sleeping, hopefully. And a half hour before your alarm clock goes off, it's going to slowly wake you up. So it's going to turn on the music and it's going to turn on the light. So now while this is happening, you don't really need to touch anything, you just let it go. And then once your alarm clock goes off, then you need to get up and turn it off. So you just hit any button, and it flashes a 4-digit number, 1422. And you have to hit buttons in that order in order to turn off your alarm. And it's going to do it again. So you have to do 1331. And so now my alarm clock's off. The light and the radio stay on. After 10 minutes, it automatically sounds again, but you don't have to press anything. It's just kind of in case you went back to sleep. And then after, I believe, 30 minutes, your light and your radio automatically turn off. Okay, I just pulled apart the entire alarm clock so you can see all the insides of it. You can see we have a circuit board here, a bunch of shift registers, resistors, relay, transistors. Just the entire thing is completely covered. And then we can see the Arduino here. I have almost every single ground pin used, and then just one analog in. And you can see under here we basically just have a lot of soldering done.